guys, what's up? I'm now currently going to get my parcel. Hi! Today I'm with my best friend Margaret. We are heading to get our parcel. Not our, mine. Very thankful for a friend like her. Today it seems that the lift at our college is functioning, so we're going to try it. There's no official notice yet. We might risk our life for that. Looks new, everything. I'm looking forward to using it. It's going up! So exciting! Hey, it's working! Oh my god, it's not working!
Oh my god.
Doors closed.
It's working, but it's not official that it's working.
Okay, so I think we should take this.
Yeah, we should take the staircase. Healthy. Hi guys, now I'm inside Margaret's car and I have to take a ride from her. Thank you, Margaret. Thank you so much. The reason why I have to get my parcel from there is because I can't really have my parcel sent directly to my college. My college doesn't offer that kind of service. So there's this place in our main campus that is specializing in receiving our parcel, and then each parcel will cost us RM2 if they are taking care of our parcel lah. Sometimes we can get really stressed out by our studies, so we really need this kind of external happiness. For example, anticipating for our parcel. I'm very excited about this parcel because I have been waiting for a month for it to arrive. You know what's been happening in China, and it took them some time to deliver our parcel. So to apply disinfectants to our parcel. No need, right?
Yeah. Actually, they got do disinfection for the parcel.
Yeah, that's why they took so long to arrive, right? Yeah. Hi guys, we've arrived in the place. Here we are. This is a place called Complex Mahasiswa, and this is the place where most students from all around the campus have their classes. But we don't really have classes here because engineering faculty is enough for us. So the shop that helps to collect our parcel are closed. They're not closed technically, but they're not giving us any service at the moment, so I'll have to come some other day. Here I am again to get my parcel. Hi guys, this is my parcel. These two are from Lazada, and this very big one comes from Taobao. Can't wait to open. Hi guys, I just got back to my hostel and I'm ready to unbox the parcel that I just got. Let's go! Okay, I'll begin by unboxing this parcel that I got from Lazada. Got my pen knife ready. Let's do it. Alright, this is the invoice. And tada! This is a wide angle lens that I bought from Lazada. It is around 50 ringgit and it comes with a portable bag that you can bring anywhere. And it surprised me that it's so big. Sorry guys, just realized that the camera was kind of off, so let me readjust it. And surprisingly, this wide angle lens is so big from the wide angle lens that I have previously. It surprised me, and let's see if it's good. Okay, let's pick and how am I going to put this on my phone? Oh, it comes with this mount. Screw it, I guess. Alright, I'll test it on my screen right now. Alright, this is the video with my wide angle lens on. I'm doing it without my stabilizer, so the video will look slightly shaky. Looking good. There's no blurry edge. So my wide angle lens are a bit too bulky and heavy, and whenever I mount it on my phone, the stabilizer cannot get the right balance on it, so it just doesn't work with my stabilizer. Guess I'll have to use this lens only when I take videos manually, which will be really shaky. Anyway, I guess I'll use it for static shot lah. Overall, it is still a good wide angle lens. It doesn't cause distortion over the edge, so I think this is good except for it's wet. Hopefully I can get another wide angle lens that is not so big or bulky. This is also another parcel from Lazada. Invoice. And this is the selfie stick that my mom asked me to get. It is by Huawei, and I like the packaging. This can protect the selfie stick. Sometimes it's a mystery trying to open the parcel. You don't know which way to get this parcel open. It looks so light and portable. And how do we open this? Please remove this thing before using. Alright, let's remove. Okay. And oh my god, what's this? Came off. And this is used to mount my phone. Looking good. You can stretch this to put on your phone. For my next video, maybe I'll use this to film. Looks so portable. Let me just read the menu. Oh, you pull it from here. There you go. Long. Okay, so everything about this Huawei selfie stick looks good. You can unfold it and make it this portable to be put inside your bag. Okay, on to the main character of today, my parcel from Taobao. And I've bought multiple items together. They pack it into one package, which is great. Yeah, but the postage fee is really expensive. I don't know why. Let's open. Alright, that's my bag. My new bag from Thankful. I'm so excited to use it. The next from Ugreen. The screen protector that I got from my iPad. And the next, I bet this is the clothes that I bought. It's a jeans skirt. I guess it right. And the next is, here we go. Alright, the adapter that I got from my iPad. A lot of voucher. And the final parcel. No fun steamer iron. Okay, that's about it. Hi guys, I just unboxed my parcel a few days ago, and after using all the items that is inside the parcel, I'm now going to give you my review on those items. The first item that I got for myself is this bag, and I'm replacing this bag with the bag that I have usually use. And what I like about this bag is that it has a lot of compartments, as you can see from here. There are a few more compartments here. These compartments usually I put my tissue, and these compartments here I can put like my hand sanitizer and everything. And at the side there's this very small pocket where I can put my bottle, but then my bottle is a little bit too big to be fit into this bag, so I put my umbrella on the side, which is very convenient. And inside of my bag, it is some orange compartment. It's a bit too dark here, I'm so sorry. There are a lot more compartments in this bag compared to my previous bag. So what I like about this bag is, since it has so many compartments, I can organize my things so everything is not really messy. So yeah, that's my first item. Well, the thing I really like about this bag is because it is cool. It has a lot of compartments which can help to organize my very messy stuff, and also it is below 100 ringgit only for this bag. I've heard my senior say that she bought one bag that is similar to this, but it cost her around 200 to 300 ringgit, so I think I got it for a steal. Moving on to the second item. The second item that I bought is this USB to Apple Lightning cable adapter, and what I like about this is that I can finally use my pen drive on my iPad or on my iPhone. This is my iPad, and I've just plugged in my USB pen drive, and then I go to file. There you go. This is my pen drive, and this is the thing that is inside my pen drive. For example, if I want to open a document, I just touch on that and it will automatically open my file. So yeah, that's just how convenient it is. I haven't really used it for any purpose, but I just like the convenience of it. Who knows, it might be very useful in the future, right? The next thing that I bought is this Ugreen Pepper Light screen protector that I got for my iPad. As I started using my iPad to take down notes, I have to look for one that it resembles this pepper light feeling to me, so it feels more natural to write on it. So guys, this is my iPad with the pepper light screen protector on. You can't really see the difference here, but once you touch it, then you'll feel the kind of pepper light feeling on your fingertips, and it's really different when you write it on the screen. I'll show you the notes that I've made with this screen protector. This is it. These are my notes. And this is actually the second time that I bought this screen protector. The reason why I bought it again is because when I first bought it, I kind of installed it the wrong way, so the screen protector got over the edge and it caused this protruding effect on the screen protector, and it came off really easily, so I decided to buy it again. And since it's so good, I decided to buy from the same seller again. So yeah, you guys can try it out if you're looking for a pepper light screen protector. It's around 20 ringgit something compared to the really expensive, which can cost up to 80 to 100 ringgit. I am not sure if it will wear out your Apple Pencil tip, but if you're looking for a cheap alternative, then this Ugreen Pepper Light screen protector is the way to go.